What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to show you a remedy that would help you to make your hands look soft, toned and younger. It's going to remove all of the wrinkles and it's going to make your hands look super duper glowing. Okay, so the thing is that when your hands are actually dry because of excessive dipping your hands inside the water, excessive using of soap and stuff or age or cream or weather, okay, it tends to make your hand look very dry, disgusting and old sometimes. So this remedy is going to help you a whole lot, but you have to use it every single day. You can even use it morning and night because it's something that is already, you're going to like prepare it and keep it. Okay, so you can use it. It can stay as long as you want. If you want to make it much, you can do. If you want to make it small, you can do. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, let's go see what it is. So for her wrinkle-free hands and fingers, we're going to be making use of aloe vera. I have here just a little tiny aloe vera. Aloe vera provides protective barrier that helps to keep moisture locked into your hands. It provides a cooling effect, reduces acne inflammations, and assists in healing, removing redness and soften dry skin, and it also helps in softening angry skin. It will help to remove wrinkle, age-related problems, and pigmentations. And also, we're going to be making use of honey in this remedy. Now, using organic honey is very good, guys. So that's why I have here my organic honey direct from the farm. Contains a natural antibacterial. It's great for acne treatment and prevention. It is full of antioxidants. It's great for slowing down aging, complexion boosts. It's a great moisturizing remedy. Okay, and then we're gonna be making use of vitamin E capsule. Alright guys, so you can either use vitamin E capsule or oil. Anyone you find it, you can actually use it. Vitamin E capsule contains anti-inflammatory property that calm and hydrate sensitive skin. It helps in brightening the skin surface, and it also prevents and heal your skin from scars. Applying vitamin E oil will help to repair and improve the appearances of the damaged tissue. So for this guys, we're going to be using transparent soap. So any transparent soap you find around, you can use it. Here I have Pierre's transparent soap. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm not going to be peeling this. I'm just going to be blending it plus the back or plus the peel of the aloe vera. Alright, so now this is how it looks like. Greenish and really good. So what we're going to do now is to pierce in the vitamin E oil. 2 of that will be okay. That's the first one, and this is the second one. So now we're going to be putting in honey, and we're going to be needing half teaspoon of honey. Alright, but now we're just gonna turn this all up and make sure it mixes together. Okay, so we're gonna be needing a crater, then we're gonna be creating the transparent soap. So you're gonna put this in a double boiler method, and now let's go. I poured it in here, then I refrigerated. I put it in the freezer, and then it's blocked, like it's eyes, yeah. And this is it. Really looking nice, strong, but not really very strong. So what you do is that you keep the soap, and then you will dip it into the water, and then you use it to wash your hands. If you're having wrinkles and your fingers is looking wrinkles and the fine lines are gonna be gone. Your skin is going to glow again. You wash that, you do that 2 times. After the first wash, you wash again, okay? You wash again. Now you're going to notice when you wash again, it's not going to be like before, because before you have much dirt on your hands. Now when you're done washing your hands, you are going to be moisturizing your palm with vitamin E. So now I rub. Now this oil is a very thick oil, so when you rub it, the moisture is going to stay for so long on your hands. So do this in the night, sleep with it, you wake up the next day, and the next day, and the next day, your hand is going to look soft, wrinkle free, and very beautiful. So that's it, guys. Use this morning and night and you are going to see a huge result. Now when you're done using it, you have to use a moisturizer like a oil. Okay, you can use olive oil, or you can use vitamin E oil. Okay, it's going to help you a whole lot, and your hands are going to stay fresh, beautiful, and young. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching it, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay younger and flawless. Bye.